All right, let's take a look at how we simplify these two polynomials. So we see a plus sign, so that means I can really just ignore these because there's nothing outside of them. So we're going to find like terms. Let's see, is there anything alike with that? And there's not, so we're just going to bring it down. 9x cubed. Moving along, we see negative 5x squared, and there's another x squared. It happens to be a plus. So we're going to do negative 5x squared plus 6x squared. Negative 5 plus 6 is plus 1x squared, so we're just going to include that. And then we're going to see the x, and there's an x there. So we have to remember that there's a 1 in front of that x, so I get plus 1x plus 5x, which is 6x, and it's positive. Okay, and then cap it off, we just have the minus 10. And we see that it's already in standard form, okay, and no x there, so it was already in standard form. So there's our answer. If we take a look at number 7, though, we see this minus sign. So what I have to do is I have to put a 1 right here and then distribute the whole thing to that guy. So then we have negative 1 times negative 3, which is positive 3x squared. Negative 1 times positive 5 is negative 5x, and negative 1 times negative 7 is plus 7. And then we're going to bring down all of that. So we're going to take 3x squared minus 8x plus 2. So we find our like terms. We have an x squared there with another x squared there. So that is 3 plus 3, so that is 6x squared. We have negative 8 minus 5. That's negative 8 minus 5, so that's negative 13. Don't forget the x. And then finally, plus 2 plus 7 is plus 9. And we're done with that one. And let's take a look at number 8. All right, we are going to have to distribute that. I see number outside here and there, so we're going to have to distribute. 2 times 2 and 2 times negative 4. 2 times 2 is 4x. 2 times negative 4 is negative 8. Then we're going to distribute the 3 to the negative 2 and then to the 3. So we get plus 3x for the first one, plus 3x squared, minus 6x, and then plus 9. Go through in our like terms. There is no other x squared, so we just get to bring that guy down. There is, however, another 4x, another x term right there. I have 2 x's. So 4 minus 6 is negative 2, and then x. And then the last one is negative 8 plus 9. That's negative 8 plus 9, so that's plus 1. And there we go. And then let's solve one more. Again, we're going to have to distribute these two values. Okay, so we get 2 times 3 and 2 times negative 4. So we get 6x minus 8. Negative 3 times 4x cubed is negative 12x cubed. Negative 3 times negative 3 is positive 9x. Negative 3 times 4 is negative 12. All right, so we see, let's go to our highest term, which is right there. So that's negative 12x cubed. There's nothing with it, so we include it. Then we see a 6x here, plus a 9x there. That's 6 plus 9, so we get plus 15x. And we have negative 8 minus 12, which is negative 20.